Hey, what's going on? I hope you are doing well. Every single day I share reviews discount that will help you to save money. In today's video, you will learn about this 2000 watt heavy duty commercial blender mixer that you can use in your home to blender anything you want. If you check out, they share every single features in the photos. The best part is right now 71% of discount. If you need, check out my video description link which will help you to save money with confidence. You can see you can easily work all of these and it will help you. It's really heavy and it will mix anything you want inside the blender. As you know, real customer never lie, because if you learn from the real customer opinion, it will help you because you will use a product for a long time. You can see right now 1000 plus sold, 4.4 rating and 191 reviews. Click these reviews, you will see 136 people give 5-star rating. And if you check out, then you will see here, you can see a real person share a photo by recently and said very satisfied. Shared the blender 5 beautiful photo from different parts. Here you can see another person share 4 photo and share the beautiful photo of the blender. You can see it's looking really beautiful. Like this way, if you check out more reviews, as you know, real customer will always open your eye. If you read these reviews, you will get a real experience which will help you and give you more confidence. Click view more, check out more reviews, and you will feel confident. Most of the people are buying it. You can see another person to good product, you can see, so you can easily get the best product in your hand. So if you want 71% off, check out my video description link. Thanks for watching. Always learn from the real customer reviews because real people know the real experience. Subscribe, hit the like button.